Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your default search engine on Windows 11. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! If you're looking to change the default browser on Windows 11, it's a straightforward process. Windows 11 allows you to customize which web browser opens link and other web-based content, whether you're switching from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome or Firefox. And in this video, I will show you how to do it. So first, you can just open your Chrome or Google on your PC or laptop. Now, you can just tap on the three lines over here on the upper right corner. On three dots, I mean. Now, you can just go to settings. Here, click on settings. From here, you can search for search engine. There's an option search engine. You can just click on that. So as you can see in here, by default, it's set to Google. If you want to change, you can just click on change. And in here, you can just choose for the search engine that you want to use as the default. Maybe the secure search, Yandex, Microsoft Bing, Yahoo, or DuckDuckGo. Maybe for the example, you want to use Microsoft Bing, you can click on set as default. So now your default search engine is Microsoft Bing. It turns out like this. It's so simple, right? So that is how to change your default search engine on Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!